Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Terms and Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we are going to see a term called responsible bidder. When you are getting the quotes in the form of tendering or bidding, we have to get it from a responsible bidder. It is a term used to describe offerers responding to invitation to bid or request for proposal who are determined to be capable of fully performing the contract requirement. So it is not that someone is submitting casually, but the vendors are also serious in executing the work. The American Bar Association Model Procurement Code, which has been adopted by numerous public purchasing agencies, provides that the contract to be awarded to the lowest responsible and responsive bidder. So there is some seriousness attached here. It is not that somebody who is not clear about the specification or just trying out makes a better, but he is serious when he gets the offer. He should be in a position to execute. That's where we call this as a responsible bidder, and he should not excuse later on when the offer is made. He should not say, I'm not going to take up this offer. Many times, even before this bid happens, there is some deposit amount to be done to be eligible for the bidding. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.